all of this is going to Dubai, and a lot of this goes to the US. Crazy. You wouldn't know how much stuff gets manufactured in the Philippines and brought overseas just because of the quality.
Yeah.
Here they are, the beauties. Oh, look at the cabinet.
Wow.
From design to real life.
All the furniture that we saw here is going to be all over the world, and it's made here in the Philippines.
What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new vlog. Welcome to a long-awaited and very, very exciting day for Nelly and I. We are here at More Than a Chair in Pampanga because today we get to see our actual furniture for our condo. We couldn't be more excited, and we've been exploring quite a bit of Pampanga today. A few factories, furniture manufacturing. We saw a plant factory, I'd almost like to say, and now we are here at More Than a Chair to check out our furniture. It's really a stunningly beautiful day. We've seen such unique parts of Pampanga today on this journey, and yeah, fun times. Nelly, on a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you?
I'm so super excited. Today is finally the day where we actually see the pieces that we only had a concept of and an idea of, and kind of chose the materials, but to see them now ready to go into our condo is just like Christmas for me. Oh wow!
So Nelly, what is this?
So these are the pendant lights for the bedroom. These are beautiful. I mean, exceeded my expectations, and we have lots of natural material, which I really like. Wow, this is going to look amazing!
Nope. Yeah, wow, look at that. Even the cat is saying wow.
Yes!
Very nice. Wow, so cool.
These are Mike's chairs.
Ah! Wow.
Okay, Mike, you go ahead. This is your moment.
Here they are, the beauties.
Wow! These are literally the chairs
So
we're going to
nice.
have in our living room.
They look so good.
Yeah.
So excited.
So they're currently putting a finish on there, I guess. And this is the material that will be on there. Wow. Everything handmade. Wow.
How nice is this, Nelly? Wow.
Can we already touch it?
Can we already touch it? It's okay, yeah.
This is the table with the chairs. Wow. Very nice.
Looks so good.
Oh, I love these edges.
Yeah.
It's not a straight line. You can see kind of the carved wood. Wow. What a beauty.
I'm absolutely blown away.
Yeah.
Exceeded every expectation. Amazing. It's so nice. Just the edges. It's so organic and lovely.
Yeah, the smell here in the actual factory is really nice. I like the smell of color and paint. You see a lot of people working, a lot of wooden elements in background. Oh, this is like our segment.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I just saw our furniture.
Yeah,
Wow. Yeah, the table is such a statement piece.
it is.
It's such a beauty.
So good, yeah.
Oh, it's going to look so nice. Okay, we're just looking at the bar stools, and this is our desk for our fun room slash guest room.
Yep.
Then we also got a leather for the bathroom, for towels,
Towel rack.
towel rack.
Oh my god, it's also nice.
Yeah.
So beautiful. And here's the bed getting varnished.
Oh yeah, this is the bedside table. It's like a little table. We have very limited space on the side.
Yeah.
So we decided to go with a very small bedside table. So this is?
Silver plating right now, right?
Yeah. So this is how it's done. It gets applied. That's amazing. So is this glued? Or how does it stick? Glue. Glue, yeah. So this is the headrest of our bed, just getting sanded. These are the drawers and another sanding station.
So nice. It's hard to describe the smell in here. It's like,
I know, right? And also the atmosphere.
yeah, everybody's very concentrated, working on details. So nice.
So the bed will be assembled at our place because we have a very narrow wall that is kind of hard to pass if you go all in with the whole bed. Wow, this material.
It's nice.
So yeah, that was just an area of furniture that gets exported to Dubai. Yeah, the materials are so pretty.
What is the actual material?
It's like a leather.
A leather.
So you can see we try to minimize the dust.
Yeah.
So to make sure we have a clean finish. So they're doing final retouch before they apply the top.
Yeah. Yeah, so this pattern that is on here is like a stingray leather pattern, but this is actually an imitation. They found a way to get the imprint on another material, which is very cool.
Yeah, so let me just zoom in. It's really hard to describe the texture. It just feels so good. And a lot of this furniture gets exported, right?
Yeah, like all of this is going to Dubai, and a lot of this goes to the US. Crazy. You wouldn't know, if you don't get to visit factories like that, you wouldn't know how much stuff gets manufactured in the Philippines and brought overseas just because of the quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is here the final quality control, and then here gets boxed up and shipped out.
So much detailed work. Wow, you have to work really precise with these. Look at that. All by hand.
So here the couch is coming together.
Yes.
So there we have the ottoman, so it's kind of like the L shape, what we talked about. But just like an L couch would have been too big. But it's nice that we have this ottoman element, which we can also just, you know, detach from the couch, and guests can sit on it, or you can move it to the balcony door and sit inside, but
Yeah.
on the ottoman looking out. And it's
And-
still missing legs.
Yeah, and also I think pillows.
Yeah, like cushion.
Yeah. So this is the raw shape of the couch.
I have to get myself in the state of mind. I just woke up, I got my cup of coffee in my hand.
Mike is testing the sofa.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have different layers that they use.
Spring
We
at
use
the
a
bottom,
spring, yeah.
and then your seat foam is a combination of hard and soft, and for the back it's fiber cut.
Very nice.
What's the verdict?
It's very comfortable. You want to try it?
Yeah?
Hard.
Both hard, okay.
And then we like
This is perfect.
the pillow at the back. Thicker.
What do you say?
I found it very comfortable. Do you find it too soft? Would you like it hard, or is this nice?
I think I like it.
I think I like it too.
I like it.
Yeah, because they can combine. So like this is more the harder,
Yeah.
and this is the softer on top. But I quite like this, especially if you
Yeah,
lay
it's
on it,
cozy.
because it still gives you good back support.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Nice.
very cozy.
Yeah.
What do you say? It's a little bit high for me.
Is it too high for you?
That's very high, yeah. Is it possible to make this maybe
Adjust the height, yes.
until here, maybe? Yeah? I think if the arm is here, it's more natural.
Arm to rest well.
Yeah. Cool. So Ellen just told us that these chairs are made of Salia are getting exported to Sweden. So all the furniture that we saw here is going to be all over the world, and it's made here in the Philippines. And he also told us when we met for the first time that one of his clients was Crate and Barrel and Pottery Barn. So these are very, very exclusive world-class stores for furniture, and they have Filipino furniture. So yeah, that's
So
pretty
cool.
cool. Yeah, I feel so special. I feel very special and grateful to have met them and to have our home designed by these talented people. So this is the back of the bed frame. Just putting together. Wow. And every single piece is cut by hand. Everything is very precise.
So here's the couch table. It's
Yes.
still in its raw form. It still needs to be finished, but like it's massive and heavy. Really nice.
This is the comparison.
Look at the cabinet. From design to real life.
How cool is that? Yeah, very nice. Wow, so it's going to be painted black.
Yes.
This is still the raw version. But it's so
how
amazing.
nice is this?
Yeah, it looks so good. Wow, I'm so excited for this. Oh, love it. Cool.